So the intention for this video is to give an idea about taking a road trip cross country in thick of COVID. So with the second wave hitting and all kinds of restriction, how did we proceed and what all is happening to us as we are going on our journey. So right from the beginning, we started our journey from Thane, Maharashtra, and the important requirement, as we read in the advisory, is that you should carry with you an RT-PCR report. Now, to get a RT-PCR done, we decided to do an RT-PCR on 17th, and we got our results with great difficulty on we gave our test on 17th and we got our result on 18th. So after 24 hours we got our result, and as the guidelines say that you have to have a window of 72 hours before the report expires. So then now we had 48 hours in our hand and we started our journey. So the most important thing is to get an RT-PCR tested. So we started from Thane somewhere in the afternoon. After we got our report, immediately within few hours time, we hurriedly packed up and we started our journey. And there was no hitch crossing Thane. There was nobody who asked us. Roads were almost empty with very few vehicles, and we've crossed the city of Thane, and then we entered. We did carry on the highway. So when we reached Maharashtra Gujarat border, there we were asked, there was a check post and we were asked a few questions. So it was held on one side, and there were few other vehicles of going through the same procedure in front of us. They asked us for our RT-PCR reports, where we are going and where we are coming from, the destination, and our mobile numbers and car number. They documented all these things. There was no question asked about the reason of travel, and there was no question asked about having a e-pass. So these two things were not asked. And after entering the Gujarat, they gave us a token, and that token, within a few 100-meter distance, we had to give it to another policeman who let us in the city. So they did not do any thermal scanning, and but they were wearing masks and they were maintaining social distancing. So that was one. Then we entered Gujarat and we traveled through Gujarat. We were on the highway 48, and there was no check post anywhere till we wanted to go into the city. So we wanted, around 8 p.m. we wanted to stay at Surat, because we are not very comfortable with night journey in a road trip. So while entering the Surat, there was a check post of a similar kind at the outset of the city, and similar kind of questions were asked, similar documentation was done, and they gave us small passes, sort of green colored passes, you can say. There was sort of a token, and date was mentioned on it, and some stamp was there. So the person said that wherever we are going, if anybody asks us, then we can show these tokens to them. So then we entered the city of Surat, and there we stayed at Marriott Hotel. And hotel, they didn't ask us any question. They just let us in, gave us the room key, and then they took our details. And when we had to fill up a form also of self-declaration that we are not having any fever, cough, cold, etc. But even that, at that point there was no question asked. But as soon as we filled another form, which was basically they wanted to know your customer sort of a form. And there they asked us about, suddenly when they heard the word Maharashtra, they asked us if we are carrying any RT-PCR report, and we showed it to them. So it was good, and they allowed us to stay there. So today is our day 2 journey, and we are again back on National Highway 48, and we intend to enter the state of Rajasthan, probably stay at Nath Dwara, or if we are fortunate to go even further, to probably Ajmer, and stay overnight. So we'll update on the remaining part of our journey. We want to reach Uttarakhand and join my hospital. That is the reason for my travel. Yeah.